enforce principle of least privilege. Now, how can we do this?
Well, the way we do this is really kind of twofold. One is we need to go through and fix it for those that are in place today. And then two is how we approach it for new users. But let's take a look at how we do it for those that are in place today. What we need to do is start out by auditing and revoking the unnecessary permissions for all users and roles. Now, that can be a bit scary to go do it all at once, but maybe you do it step by step in your test environment and see how it goes. But the idea here is we want to move away from overly permissive defaults, using fixed roles like data reader or data writer, those kind of things sparingly, and to use custom roles for granularity. What that means is that if you've got someone that's working on the server, on your SQL server, and they're just there to run reports, well, maybe they don't need full sysadmin permissions. Maybe they just need data reader, or maybe a more limited on a specific database by database level. So what you do is you start by figuring out who are the users that maybe shouldn't have those higher permissions, and then revoke them, and then find out what's needed. Now, you got to be careful when you do this, because if you revoke too many permissions, it might make it so people can't do their job. Just talking to a client yesterday where they revoked some permissions, and it made it really difficult for people to do things. So you need to make sure that you revoke the permissions and then let the person test it and make sure they can still do their job. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.